Hello everybody, KG here, founder of the Internet Money Crypto Wallet, and today I am bringing you another quick and easy tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect to crypto applications or dApps in the world of Web3. I will be showing you how to do this using our Chrome extension, but it is the same exact process whether you are using our Chrome extension, Android, or iOS apps. Let's jump right into it.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it. Can't let them take this from me.
In today's example, we are going to be using the PulseX DEX, which is a dApp on the Pulse Chain blockchain. But this tutorial will work for any dApp on any EVM network or Ethereum-based blockchain. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your wallet is unlocked. So you've typed in your password or your passcode. If you're on Chrome, you're going to want to make sure that the wallet is expanded into its own tab. If it doesn't automatically expand like mine just did there will be a little button here in the bottom left that says expand. By clicking this, it'll open its own tab in your Chrome browser window. This functionality does not exist on the Android and iOS applications, so as long as the app is open and unlocked, you'll be good to go. Step 1, navigate back to the dApp. Click on Connect Wallet. You're going to look for either a WalletConnect button or sometimes the button will show as All Wallets. Click on that. And if you have to close this, just click behind it. You can see View All. Click on that. And here, Internet Money is visible on the first screen, but you may have to type in Internet or Internet Money. It'll search the WalletConnect and you'll find it. Click on it, which is going to prompt the Internet Money wallet to open. If you have many tabs open, it may pop open the wrong tab, but just click on the Internet Money Wallet tab to see this pop up. You can select your desired account by clicking down on the account selector here and click Connect. It should open up PulseX, but if you go back to your Internet Money wallet, you can see that our wallet was successfully connected. And you can verify this by looking at your account address. You can see this is AADA. If I head back to PulseX, account AADA is connected. Now, to disconnect your wallet from any dApp that you've connected to, simply navigate to Settings, scroll down to View Connected dApps, and then you can see whatever dApps you're connected to. Click on Disconnect. And you can verify you're disconnected by navigating back to the dApp, and you will see that your wallet address is no longer connected. It really is that simple. Now, to do transactions, it's the same exact flow and functionality. When you initiate the transaction on the dApp, it'll prompt the Internet Money wallet to open, and you follow the exact steps to do your transaction on the dApp. For any questions, join our Telegram community by heading to internetmoney.io and clicking Join Our Community on the top right. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us for all future tutorials. Thank you for being a part of the community. My name is KG, founder of the Internet Money Wallet, and until next time, peace.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it.